I'm Dixie Williford, Master Plumber and owner of APW Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. And I get the question presented all the time, do I really need to clean my furnace and air conditioner? And the short answer is yes. And let me go over a couple of reasons why. First, financially. And a couple of reasons to do it financially is that 26% of the life expectancy of your furnace and air conditioner comes to you not cleaning your system, and that is within your control. You can call a company like APW Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, and we can come out and professionally clean your system twice a year, once for the furnace, once for the air conditioner. Another statistic for you is that $2,200 a year is the average family cost for your utility bills, and nearly half of that goes to heating and cooling. And so another thing that adds to that is 5% efficiency is lost each year not maintaining your mechanical equipment, meaning not cleaning your furnace and air conditioner. And that, my friend, is something, again, that you can control. If you think about it, over 10 years, you can lose up to 50% efficiency on your utility bills, and that's a significant cost. Now for a visual for you. We've all had a ceiling fan on for way too long. Once you turn it off, you can see the mound of dust that's on the top of it, and it's frankly disgusting. So guess what? That is what's in your heating and cooling system at home. So having a licensed professional like APW Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling come out and professionally clean it twice a year, again, once for the furnace and once for the air conditioner, is so much optimal for you. So call 913-825-6600 for your cleaning. And if you like videos like this, click like for us or hit the subscribe so that you can get more like this from the Dixie Difference. Again, call 913-825-6600 at APW Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling and experience the Dixie Difference.